Hi, this is Tyler with Carson's Nursery. I'm here for How To Fridays, and today we're going over how to pick a hydrangea for your garden. The first hydrangea we have here is the arborescence hydrangea. Think your Annabelles or Incrediballs. This one here is an Annabelle, is a smoothleaf hydrangea. It does well in shaded areas in the afternoon and has a pink to white flower. Next up will be the panicle hydrangea. This does well in full sun. This is a little limelight, large cone flowers, and it does pink to white to a little bit of red in the fall. Next up will be the Serrata hydrangea. This is your mountain hydrangea. This is a little tough stuff. It is a compact one, and it does pinks, reds, whites, and blues. It is affected by soil pH. It does well in a little bit of shade. Then there is the Macrophilia hydrangea. This is your big leaf hydrangea. It's known for its drastic color changes from blues to pinks to reds and whites. It does well in afternoon shade as well. And then last up is the oak leaf hydrangea. Does well with a little bit of shade, but can do full sun when it's fully established. Has white to pink coloration of the flowers, as well as the leaves will turn a drastic red and burgundy in the fall. This has been How To Fridays, and I can't wait to see you all in for fall planting season.